Hey guys, I've got some really bizarre information to share with you, and some stuff has recently surfaced and I'm getting a ton of emails about it, so I thought I would go ahead and cover it and just give you guys my opinion on it and show it to you guys just in case it is real. But before I do that, I want to quickly show you guys an interview that Avenged Sevenfold just did talking about a new song that they're creating for Black Ops 4. This information here ties in with the weird information, and this is the bassist Johnny Christ, and he does an interview talking all about it. I'll let you guys listen.
You guys have been working on a tune for Call of Duty. Where are you at in the process?
The song's written. We're recording it right now. We just took a break in the city of recording it this last week, and we're going to finish it up this coming week, and then it'll go off to get mixed and mastered, and I believe sometime in July is when everyone will be hearing it for the first time.
Does it have a name? Can you give any sort of insight to music?
We don't have a name. We don't have a name for it yet. And Matt's figuring out the lyrics. I think he just finished them before we came out.
I can go help. Why don't we just go help him
let's
now?
go help him
Dude,
out.
let's finish it up. Get a fucking name.
But it is it's a fun song. It's a little bit of a departure from I think what our fans would expect. But I guess that also doesn't make sense because they expect crazy from us now.
Well, that's good. Was it written specifically for the game itself, or was it a tune that you had kind of around, or what's up?
It was specifically written for the game, but I mean it kind of became its own thing, you know. Like the guys over at Activision became friends through the years because we've done so many things for them with the Call of Duty stuff. Asked us if we could do an original song, and we said yeah, and so we started writing, and this is what came out of it.
So a few interesting things that he said were that they're developing a song for Black Ops 4, and I'm guessing most likely zombies because that's what they've done in the past, and we're going to be able to hear it in July. He also said that it's a fun song and a departure from what they're normally known for, which is heavy metal, and a departure from that would be anywhere from like folk to country or something like that. This interview was conducted at the end of May, and during this interview he said that the song was almost complete, they were going to finish the lyrics, and it was going to be ready the next week. Well, the next week was last week. So this song is, as of today, I'm assuming completed. It's June the 5th, 5 days after what he said the date was when they said they were going to complete it. He spoke about us being able to hear it in July. Well, July is Comic-Con. That's going to be the 19th through the 22nd. We know Treyarch's going to be there because they're going to be announcing the special collector's edition. And with all the rumors about there being a 4th Zombies map, it's possible they could be announcing the 4th Zombies map, maybe the intro cutscene, and with that intro cutscene is a song by Avenged Sevenfold. Now about the really bizarre stuff that I have seen recently, there's been some stuff that has surfaced where they're claiming that it's leaked information for Black Ops 4 multiplayer and also zombies. And I wasn't going to make a video about this, but I'm getting so many emails about it. I thought I would go ahead and cover it and let you guys know what I think about it. So this person, GCali22, has posted all of this information on the Tech Games forum site. They made a post talking about multiplayer and the new multiplayer map names, the story information and Easter egg information for Blood of the Dead and the other zombie maps. And honestly, it sounds like something anybody could post and make this stuff up. And I don't know who this person is. I can't back them. I don't believe any of this information personally. It just sounds like somebody that's a really creative fan and wanted to have some fun with the community, and they're probably laughing at all of us right now. So I'm not going to go into any of the information that they spoke about on the forum. I don't believe it myself, and I really don't want to promote something that I can't back. And I could be 100% wrong, and this person really has information, and that's great. But to me, it's not looking so good. The really bizarre thing I was talking about is their recent post saying that they have some audio for the 4th Zombies map. I will let you guys listen to it if you want to. I have the lyrics on the screen and everything, but to me it doesn't sound like it's in the zombies genre whatsoever, and the voice does not sound like the lead singer from Avenged Sevenfold. This does follow the idea that Avenged Sevenfold is going to be doing something totally different than what they normally do, and it being kind of a fun song. This is like a rebel country song, and that's what I would imagine them doing if they were doing something different. But I'll let you guys listen to it.
Boston is thirsty. We got good water. They are so many, and we are so few. The law says to give 'em the land where we're standing. There's not a damn thing we can do. Our gentle, swift river has grown to a monster, devouring the rubble that once was our home. Grandfather built it, timber on field stone. They swear they'll rebury his bones. Come, friends and neighbors, come one and all. There's music till midnight at the big farewell ball. 'Cause everyone's crying, we're not alone. Dance with me, Mary, till it's time.
Okay, personally, I think the song is really good. I like Rebel Country. I don't like country music, but Rebel Country is very cool. This sounds like a really older dude. This doesn't sound like Avenged Sevenfold, so I'm crossing that off the list entirely. As far as this being like a Zombies Map song, I don't know about that either. The song is basically talking about Boston being in a drought and them requiring water from a smaller town. I wanted to completely debunk this and say this is not something that is going to be for Black Ops 4, that it already exists, but I can't find it anywhere. I've tried a few websites and sources to identify the song itself, uploading it to it, and also the lyrics, but nothing turns up. I've seen people speculate that this could be a perk jingle for a future Zombies map, but perk jingles are typically 30 seconds long, and this is over a minute, and it doesn't match up with being any kind of an Easter egg song because those are several minutes long. If this were real, it'd have to fall along the lines of being like an intro or outro cutscene situation, but again, I don't see that happening. So I'm gonna say don't believe the leaks right now that are happening. I think this is just somebody having some fun with the community and being very creative, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.